Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and looking at our old A3 1.6 Special Edition. This one, well, what do they call it? Sportback is what they used to call it. To be fair to you, we wouldn't normally advertise a car of this age, but we know a lot about this car. We supplied it a number of years ago. We took it back in part exchange. We've just done a cam belt water pump. So literally we have a lot of trust in this old car. So why not get yourself a bargain, in our opinion. It's been very well looked after inside and out. I'll show you the inside very shortly. There's no admin fee with us, so literally the price you see is the price you pay. So a very bright old Audi A3. So show you inside. Look, all the seats, etc. all still in great condition. Look, no problems with these bolsters whatsoever. And oh, that's a point, you do get Isofix, look. So if you've got kiddie seats, that will still work. But there's no scratches, no tears, no marks. Look, the carpet's still all in great condition, as are the door cards. These key wear areas that get damaged, no such issues. And then likewise the back seat. Look, no problems whatsoever. And these key areas down here where you get damage, we have no problems at all. What a clean old car. So to get in the boot, just a little pressure pad under there, and then literally fold this side, keep that up, fold that side, keep that up, or fold them both. Big boot on these. And this is back in the day when you actually got, yes, a spare wheel. So then moving round to the side. Here we go. Just to show you, no fluke from the other side. And again, look, key wear areas, no issues. And then finally, busiest door of the car. And again, no problems at all. And the way it works, electric windows on the rear, electric on the front, electric mirrors, and then obviously your central locking here. But look at that driver's seat. Age of the car, we have no problems whatsoever. And likewise with the carpet, look. So what you get, all your lights are operated here, fairly straightforward. All your wipers this side, indicators and main beam here. And then as we move to the centre, obviously all your radio, all your heat controls, with the old aircon button there as well. And a 5-speed, but look, it's just lovely, clean old car. So makes it exceptionally good value for money. So do pick up the phone, make an appointment, don't just rock up, and then we'll hold it whilst you're on your journey. But be quick, we don't think this will be here for long. Thanks for looking.